Hi, I'm Hugh Gyton, Certified Scaling Up Gazelles Coach. We're all about implementing the Rockefeller habits. Ridiculous numbers of companies are starting every day. Very few actually manage to scale up. What is it we can do to help the gazelles? Simple, practical and actionable. It's the habits you create with this that make it successful. We're going to give you twice the cash flow, 3 times the profit and 10 times your industry valuation. What could you do to make things easier for your customer and even your customer's customer? What's your purpose, your values? What are you really good at? What would be so inspirational if I were to build a business that was there in 10 to 25 years' time? Purpose is an activating, motivating and animating force. Come along and enjoy a scaling up business growth workshop like the one we've just run today.